Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can fix Roblox error code 279. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, on the home page of your PC, just tap on the search bar and search for CMD. Just run it as an administrator by right clicking on it and press yes on the prompt. Alright, so you can see that your command prompt is open and running. Now just type in ipconfig/flush DNS and just press enter. What this will do, it will reset the DNS settings. And after it successfully completes, type in the net sh-win-sock reset. And again press enter. After a few seconds, it will show you the process is completed. Now close the command prompt and open up the search bar again. But this time just search for network connections. Open it up, select your Wi-Fi. And select Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. Inside its properties, check mark the DNS server address and then type in the following digits. After typing in the numeric values, click on OK and then close it. Now, open up your start menu and restart your PC, and after restarting, your Roblox error code 279 will be fixed. And that's how you can fix your error code over on Roblox. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.